kutoka hapo tumekuwa na timu nyingine ya interior design, interior implementation, the gypsum work, the TV area work, yeah, anything to do with the fit out, interior fit out and gypsum has been led by Steve. Clap for Steve. Huyu amekuwa Steve for that one. So Steve amefanya kazi nzuri. The fit out work iko sawa. So then from there tumekuwa another team, very important team, the painting work team, being led by Thomas. Clap for Thomas. Thomas is leading our painting work. He's our painting work. Tom, are you painting? Team ya Tom. Sogeni side hii ndio tuweze kuona the whole team that we have. So we have had another very important team during the implementation of the project. We have had special painting work on the interior work, and we have our friend here who has been leading the team for the painting work. Painting work. Then we have had two site managers, people who have been on site, security management, and other factors, especially receiving the deliveries and managing of the delivery materials. There we have had two people, very important. That's Kangebe and John. Alikuwa anatolea feedback, he represented the outer community feedback to our workmanship. Now we have done a good job. So far so good, we've done a good job as DKB, and we've been promising our customers to give them the best. And we've seen what we've done. So we are urging our followers and our viewers follow our social media to see the kind of good work that we usually implement for them. So for now, before nimalizie, I would want at least two people to say something, and one of them will be Simon, our interior designer. Aseme kama the team on site have implemented Kenya Insurance, ndio. So Simon will say something. Then on site, at least you can have two people to speak. Steve, you can say one thing, and then as well, Ras you have it. Ras, yes. Someone say something. Simon. Professionally, I'm an interior designer and painter for the task we have done. There have been challenges, issues that we have done our best to solve them. Thank you, and I appreciate the whole team for the whole project. May God bless you.
Good evening, colleagues. I'm the person who doing the implementation of the interior designer. I do the gypsum and all the interior. It was all of us, not me. All of us. So we did it to become the way it is. So it's not each and every detail. It is all of us.
Good evening, team. This is a wonderful evening that the Lord has made. Serious? So, my name is Dennis Kiama, but from Zengo I go by Ali. So, I'm the lead still fixer. Still fixer ni mwenye waga involved na implementing structural integrity. Hapo sana kwa structural integrity. I'm sure for this structure isimama vile iko, ilibidi we follow to the letter whatever we have been given by our structural engineer. And I can tell you, hata nimeshangaa because this is not what I expected it to be. But kazi yangu inakuwa imefichwa huko ndani, but the client can rest assured nyumba yake imesimama kidete. Family alale akiwa assured. DKB tunafanyaga everything on point, detail precisely on point. Kweli si kweli?
Kweli.
Hii kazi ni sisi tumeifanya ikuwe success, ndio?
Ndio.
Before we conclude, what is the operation of the house? Without say something, just 1 hour, because we will go on a form of this.
Mimi nimefanya kazi kutoka kuuza hizi mimi unafanya nini? Nimesimamisha na nileta nilifanya kabisa. I'm happy to see all the building ilikuwa very beautiful. Nilikuwa na kisha nilikuwa nitataka la matini
Ngoro is promised to give the best of DKB. We promise everything to detail, and we promise to deliver your dream house. So far, we need your feedback. You can look at what you've implemented at the house. Actually, continue subscribing to our YouTube channel, to our social media, and give us the feedback whether we've implemented the house well or where we need to improve on that matter. So, at this juncture, nataka kuinvite our brother Basina anaitangwa Ogoni wa wako Goja from Kameme. I flew to us in Kameme, so you can come for her. So atakuwa brother Basina sofa, atakuwa anapusha wa what we do na atakuwa anatumarket out there. So she can say something, then to conclude.
How are you? Amazing.
Yeah, very
Are you proud of me?
Yeah.
We are proud.
Kama ulifika mahali, kama ulifanya nini, hii tu yenyewe hii inafaa iwaongezee makati. And even your head inaitwa Mose as foreman affair, ukitisha kitu napewa. Hata mimi nikitisha upande wangu huwa napata. Tushikilie hii ni brand, manake sisi ndio tunaweza kuwa brand. So itapona ile kampuni nani ya mtu nasema this beautiful work, na kila mtu amechukua kabisa. Unapata kama umechukua success, mtu umewaka hivi. You are proud of this work. So I am so happy. Again, God bless you so much. Our viewers, this is DKB. This is the amazing team. When tulianzana nao tukapita kwa ground. Sasa hapa ndio handing over ya hii nyumba. This is amazing. So the entire team, thank you so much. Na leo hapa kila mtu amesubscribe. This is DKB.
DKB.